Yeah, hello. I'm Sourabh Jalnekar. I'm going to solve the second problem of the probability and statistics homework 3. Now they have given that x is uniform in -1 to 2 and y is equal to x squared. Now we have to find fx of x and draw the same. Now we have drawn here fx of x with the limits -1 to 2 and the amplitude 1 upon 3. And yes, we have plotted the curve y is equal to x square on the x plane. Yeah. So now we also have to find fy of y. Now fy of y is equal to 0 for y less than 0 here and y greater than 4 on top of this, because the range of x is from -1 to 2. So limits are of y are 1 to 4, right? So now for y between 0 to 1 there are two roots, right? So so y is equal to gx is equal to x square is equal to, therefore x is equal to plus or minus root y. Now as we know, fy of y is equal to fx of x upon g dash x. Now as it has two roots, we'll add both the roots here. So fx of x is 1 by 3 as we have plotted here, and minus g of x is equal to g dash of x is equal to derivative of root y, that is equal to 1 upon 2 root y this time. So 1 is minus first root and the second root is plus. So if we add this, we'll get 1 upon 3 root y. Now similarly we do this from 1 to 4. We have got one root, and that is 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 root y, the same thing, and 1 upon 6 root y. Okay. Now therefore we find fy of y is equal to 1 upon 3 root y between 0 to 1, 1 upon 6 root y between 1 to 4, and it is 0 otherwise. Now we expand the equation of y and write it in this form is equal to 1 upon 3 root y u of y minus u of y minus 1, as it is between 0 to 1, and plus 1 upon 6 root y u of y minus 1 minus u of y minus 4, as it is between 1 to 4. Now we have to find fy of y. We know fy of y is equal to integration of small fy of y. Yeah. So integrating this part from between less than 0, it is 0, from between 0 to 1 is equal to integrating this, that is 2 by 3 root y, and integrating this between 1 to 4 is this, and otherwise when it is greater than 4, integration is 1, right? So now here we write this in the equation. We can express this like this, and e of y we want to find, we know the formula for e of y, that is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity integration of y fy of y dy. Now yeah, fy of y we have written it here, and we integrated between minus infinity to plus infinity. We just expand the equation and integrate each within the limits. Now we can change the limits according to the step function, and we have changed the limits here. And yeah, now we calculate the integration value, and ultimately we find e of y is equal to 1. Thank you.